Hey grillers, Brad here from BB Grill Shack, and today I'm going to be making chicken schnitzel on my Traeger pellet grill. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, I know that schnitzel is usually like a pan-fried dish, and that's exactly what I'm doing today. I'm pan-frying it. So you could do this on your stove if you want, but because of creativity and because I love my smoker and because this is a barbecue channel, I'm doing it on my Traeger Smoker, and you guys can do this too. So if you're camping, if you're somewhere you don't have access to a stove, but you have a smoker, check this video out. You can make some schnitzel for your friends and family, really impress them by making it on the grill and show off your grilling abilities. This chicken schnitzel recipe is actually pretty easy, and all you're gonna need is some chicken breasts, an egg, some flour, some panko or other breading, a lemon, and some seasoning like salt and pepper. As far as materials go, you're gonna need some saran wrap, a cutting board, a meat hammer, a meat knife, and a few bowls. So the first thing we're gonna do is heat our smoker up to about 350, even 400 degrees, and put a cast iron pan with about 1/2 inch of oil right onto the grill. This is gonna get the oil to about 350 to 400, which is right what we're looking for. That's gonna be a good frying temperature for our chicken schnitzel. Now that our grill is heated up and we've put our pan of oil on, let's go ahead and prep our chicken. So we're gonna cut each of the fillets in half and hammer them out using saran wrap and the meat hammer. Try to get them to about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick, really as thin as you can without making any holes in the meat. Next, you're gonna season either the meat or the breading or the flour. I chose to season the flour. You're gonna dip the meat into the flour, next move to the egg wash, and finally go into the breading. After the breading, they're gonna go straight into the pan, and this is how we're gonna fry them. My chicken went into the pan when it was right at 350, and it took about 20 to 30 minutes flipping regularly to cook. The best indicator for when it's done is when your breading starts to look a little bit crispy, but not burnt. There you have it, guys. Sure enough, you can smoke some chicken schnitzel. So let me go ahead and give you a taste test. All right, clink it and sink it. Wow, it's super good. Really good, guys. Tastes just like homemade German schnitzel. I would highly recommend. This would go great with like a cucumber salad or maybe some sauerkraut, maybe a little mustard cream sauce, something like that. Get out there and try it, guys, because this is amazing. I'm gonna go back in. Thanks for checking out this video, you guys. I really hope you learned something. I hope it inspired you to try one of your stove or oven recipes on your grill or smoker or griddle or whatever. Just get outside, get cooking, be creative. I'm here every Thursday for you guys, so keep watching my videos. like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next week and have a good weekend.